Oh yeah, it's time for some more fractions. You thought we were done with fractions? You thought 2 or 3 videos would be enough? No, 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 no. There's more to do. There's more to do. Let's start the timer and get busy. Boom. Timer. Thank you. Let me ask you a question. How can situations or words and sentences create a fraction? How? How? I can tell you how. By describing the pieces and the parts of a whole in words. What you talking about, Mr. Graham? I have no idea what you just said. That's alright. Here's some examples down below. Bum, 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 bum. Write the fraction that matches the situation described. The first one, lucky you, is done for you. Okay, so, situation. George has 12 pens. If 5 pens are red, what fraction of the pens is red? Well, if there's 12 pens total, and 5 of those are red, then the fraction is exactly what you see, 5 out of 12 pens. That's not so bad, is it? But don't just blindly pick numbers like, oh, I see a 5 and I see a 12. Sometimes the question might be slightly trickier than that. Take a look at this. Lisa cut a pizza into 6 slices. Thanks, Lisa. If she ate 1 slice, what fraction of slices is left? Oh, I know! Oh, there's a 1, and there were 6 slices, so 1/6. Nope! Sorry. Wrong. What are they asking you? They're asking you what fractions of slices is left after she ate the 1. So if she had 6 and she ate the 1, that means there's 5 left. So the fraction of slices that are left is 5 out of 6. Yeah, you got to be really careful. Make sure you understand what they're asking you. Okay? Really try to understand what they want you to put. Alright, moving on. Fractions match pictures, and that's a duh. Take a look at 5/6 in fraction form. Ooh. Now look at it in picture form. It's not so hard. We can make our own if we wanted to. Look, here's 3/4. Let's see. I could make like a rectangular thing like that, but I'm going to make a circle instead. And I'm going to try to cut it into how many even pieces? The denominator. 4 even pieces. 1, 2, 3, and 4 even pieces. And then it says that how many are colored in? The numerator. 3 are colored in. So 1, 2. It's hard to color on the computer. 3. Alright, there you go. That's gonna have to be good enough. Sorry guys, you could probably color neater than that. But there you go. 3 out of 4 pieces are drawn. That matches the fraction. That's a beautiful job. You can do it too. I know you can. I know it. Let's move on. What is a number line? You know what? I'm gonna make this easy for you guys. A number line for our purposes is a line with numbers on it in order. Usually 0 is in the middle. Yeah. With negative on the left, positive on the right. That's pretty much it. I know I said that kind of fast, but let's take a look at what I'm talking about. Bloop. Here, down below, is a very blurry number line. Sorry. That says negative 0.25. That says 0. That says positive 0.25. Positive 0.50. Positive 0.75. And that's positive 1, or 1 whole. Basically, this is a number line with a lot of decimals on it. And let's see if we can follow these directions up above. It says, first, circle 0. Okay, let's circle 0 on the number line. There's 0. Ba 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 ba. I win. Ha ha ha. Then circle the only negative decimal. Only one of these decimals is negative. And if you know on which side of 0 to look for, you should see it. There it is, negative 0.25. Oh, there's a timer. Almost done. And circle one hole. Where one hole is basically just 1 with no little decimal thingy. There it is, one hole. Now, let's try to match the fractions to the decimals. Negative 1/4. Well, let's see here. Negative 1/4 will probably match negative 0.25. I remember that 1/4 is 0.2. Plus, they're both negative. So, yay, they're buddies. How about 0 out of 9? Well, I don't know. I don't know 9's that good, Mr. Graham. That's okay. You don't have to. Anything that has a 0 on the numerator, you know what that is? Yeah, it's 0. Da 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 da. Hooray! Hooray! How about 1/2? Do you remember what half is? 0.50? 0.5? Da 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 da. How about 1/4? Do you remember what 1/4 is? Not that many options left. Which is it? Well, negative 1/4 was negative 0.25. So 1/4 with no negative must equal 0.25 with no negative. Dun 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 dun. And last but not least, 6 out of 6. Well, remember, numerator and denominator are the same. So that must mean it equals 1 or 1 whole. 0.75 never got a buddy. But if I had to draw a buddy for him, anybody know what it's going to be? If you are thinking already 3/4, you're quick, man. You're speedy, you're fast, you're getting it. You got it good. Alright, guys, we're over the timer. Thanks for joining me once again. Lots of fractions this week. They're not going away next week either. So be prepared. Pay attention in class. Do your homework. Watch the videos. I excel. Do it all. Good luck. I'll see you next time. Bye. Yeah.